Alright guys, I welcome you to this beautiful tutorial channel, Director Mickey Official. Today we are going to learn how to connect your phone to your laptop or computer in order to browse on the internet. And so I have my desktop opened and I want us to try opening a web browser, Google Chrome, and see if whether we can browse on the internet or something like that. So I have it opened and I try opening YouTube, but unfortunately they says no internet connection. I should try checking the network cables, modem or router. I should try reconnecting the Wi-Fi. So I decided to minimize this and check on my internet connections. And before you do this, you have to make sure that you have your phone's Wi-Fi hotspot on. And after that, you come and hit over the web browser icon below the taskbar, and boom, there is an internet connection already. Mine is called Director Mickey at MMH Ghana. Depending on the phone you are using, you have to move to your hotspot settings in the wireless tab, and then you make sure your hotspot is on and that you have internet connection. I will try connecting mine right here, but not automatically, so that I can put in the necessary requirements. So my network is checking its requirements, and they say enter the network security key, simply the password you used on your hotspot settings in your phone. So here we go, I'm typing mine. So after typing, then you hit on the next, and they will tell you, do you want to allow your PC to be discoverable by other PCs and other devices or network? Then you say yes. They will try verifying. They said can't connect to this network. Probably I missed some of my passwords or something like that. Yeah, sure. So you will have to close and try reconnecting again. Trust me, you don't have to connect automatically if it is your first time. Once again, you have to enter the password correctly from your phone's hotspot settings. And then you confirm that you want your device to be discoverable by hitting on the yes. Boom, you are connected and good to go. You can choose to disconnect it whenever you want. After that, you can come and check and see whether you still have the internet access or not. Now you can see YouTube opening nicely. You can see the web page loading, and I see I want to write the meaning. The web page is accessible because internet is connected. Yeah, so guys, that's it for the day. Subscribe to my channel and stay connected for more exclusive updates. See you next time.